Control number 1. Security. Test 1. Review if login credentials secure, and has access been limited to the necessary personnel. Test 2. Review if all the third-party software are up to date, and do they adhere to security standards. 2. Backup and recovery. Test these controls. Is the backup frequency appropriate and process fully automated and secure? Are backups stored offsite or in a secure location? Have restoration procedures been tested? 3. Performance. Is the database operating at an acceptable level of performance? Are queries optimized for performance? Are all tables and indexes optimized? Is there any excessive disk I/O or CPU utilization? 4th. Compliance. Does the database comply with industry and legal regulations? Are proper controls in place to ensure data privacy? Are all data retention policies in compliance with regulations? 5th. Auditing. Are all audit trails properly implemented and secure? Are all audit logs monitored for suspicious activity? Are all audit reports reviewed regularly? 6th. Disaster recovery. Is there a disaster recovery plan in place? Are all backup files encrypted and stored in a secure location? Has the disaster recovery plan been tested and updated regularly? 7th. Maintenance. Are all database objects up to date, including tables, views, and stored procedures? Are all database maintenance tasks scheduled and up to date? Are all user accounts and permissions reviewed regularly? 8th. Scalability. Is the database capable of scaling with the growth of the organization? Is the database architecture flexible enough to accommodate future requirements? Are there provisions in place to scale up and out? 9th. Documentation. Is all database documentation up to date and complete? Are there proper guidelines for database usage? Is there adequate documentation for data dictionaries and metadata? 10th. Testing. Are all database changes tested in a non-production environment before deployment? Are all new features thoroughly tested before being rolled out to production? Are all database modifications properly documented and communicated to stakeholders?